Hi, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad, and I'm presenting a case study today that's called Arterial Blood Pressure Reduces After Chiropractic Adjustments. A study was in the August 11th, 2014 Journal of Upper Cervical Chiropractic Research, and it showed that the patients who were under chiropractic care had significantly positive changes to their arterial blood pressure. There is a link below this video, so please click on that and read the study at your leisure. I'm happy to help you at 402-210-8490. In the office, we see from time and time again patients who come in for, let's say, a neck issue, or they want wellness, and they discover that their blood pressure reduces after they've begun chiropractic care. It's amazing what the body can do when the nerve system is functioning at a higher level or functioning more efficiently. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can subscribe to my channel. If you're seeing this on Facebook, please like my page. On Google+, add me to your circle. On my website, there's a form that you can fill out to get these messages right to your inbox. Again, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad. I look forward to talking with you soon.